so that is around the corner already. So with this really festive holiday season, let's see how we can prepare for Tết using English with the 5 vocab. Actually more than 5 a little bit. So Tết is my favorite time of the year because it's all about family, tradition, and cannot forget to mention food as well. So, when do you think Tết actually begins? First, prepare for Tết. I personally think it's the day that we start to prepare for Ông Công Ông Táo, also known as the Kitchen God's Farewell Ceremony or Kitchen God's Day. On this day, families believe that the kitchen gods go to heaven to report about the family. So early in the morning, our family cleans the house and make offerings. So to make offerings is to prepare food and place it on the altar for our ancestors. And the offerings usually have 5 fruit trays. So 5 fruit trays usually consists of 5 different types of fruit to represent good luck, prosperity, and health for a new year. After that, we light incense and worship the ancestors to show respect and gratitude to our family members in the past. At the end of the ceremony, my parents burn joss paper or gold paper, which is a traditional way to send offerings to the spiritual world. So after Kitchen God's Day, that is very close right now, so our family usually decorates the house by buying peach blossoms or kumquat trees. Second, New Year's Eve. On New Year's Eve, our family gathers together for a special dinner, and then we will wait until midnight for the countdown and watch fireworks together to welcome the new year. Third, on New Year. During Tết, we pay New Year's visits to relatives and friends. We greet each other with warm wishes for health, happiness, and success. At home, we prepare sweets like dried candy fruits and eat watermelon seeds while chatting together. Children feel especially happy because they receive lucky money in red envelopes. Many people wear traditional costumes like áo dài, which makes the holiday more colorful and meaningful. And there are some taboos during Tết as well. So, taboo is the thing that we should avoid doing. For example, we should avoid sweeping the floor during Tết holiday because it is believed that sweeping the floor will sweep away all the good luck of the new year as well. So, that is how our family prepares for Tết. What about you? I hope you have a really happy, prosperous, and healthy New Year ahead. Happy New Year!